For the PreXion cone beam scanner, here are the steps to download the DICOM dataset and then to upload to CBCT Reader's website. From the PreXion Viewer list page, highlight the patient's name, click once, right-click the mouse, go to Quick Download. Go over to the DICOM tab on the right and check the status for the scan that is being sent. When these two numbers match, then the scan is completely sent over. Here the scan numbers match and the data was sent over to the quick export file. From the computer C drive, click it open, scroll down, go to PreXion 3D Viewer, double click, find your quick export folder. Here in the quick export folder, here you'll find your patient's dataset. Now we must compress this. We right click and you send to compressed zip folder. And you'll see the process here of the computer compressing. Here approximately after 1 minute we're almost done compressing the dataset, and here is the compressed zip folder. Remember, this is the folder you will upload to the CBCT Reader's website. Remember the file path: C, PreXion 3D Viewer, Quick Export. There's where you'll find your compressed zip folder. Now from your browser, go to cbctreaders.com. Click on Upload Cases below. Go to My Computer. Remember C drive, PreXion 3D Viewer, Quick Export, and the compressed folder. Then hit Open Files. Type who it's from. Any messages you want to add. Click on Upload. And that's it. That's how you perform this CBCT